Aw man, are you finding holes in your tomatoes like these? I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to find the culprit. There are a number of critters that can attack your tomatoes, but the ones that make holes, those are caterpillars. And not just one kind, there are several. There are some looper types, and then there's army worms, which can be either green or a kind of black, brown, tan combination. And then of course, the famous tomato hornworm. Worms of many kinds can be difficult to locate because they are green, like tomato plants are, and they blend in really well and they know how to disguise themselves. But I've got a trick that will make it easy to find them. All we have to do is turn out the lights and then turn on a black light. This is what you see when you use a black light on tomatoes. The tomato leaves show up purple, but look at this guy glowing like neon. And it's not just the stripes that glow, but the whole thing glows in the dark. It's pretty impressive. And do you know what else really glows well under black light? Powdery mildew. So if you want to tackle powdery mildew, nighttime is the best time to do it with your black light. So get yourself a black light and get ready to go night hunting. For more information about growing tomatoes and taking care of them and all kinds of other stuff, visit gardenerd.com and check out my book, High Yield Small Space Organic Gardening. You'll also find a ton more pest control information in my online course about pest control, Creating a Healthy Garden. Consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd. Patreon subscribers get access to behind the scenes goodies and monthly hangouts with me. Happy gardening.